Like
Okay.
when I came to you for the first session, I actually had pain
Correct.
the whole time. I needed some help. So after that, it was really good. It's been 2 months, so my posture, I kept having a little of that pain coming back.
Correct.
Right now, I feel great.
Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Good. Relax, relax, relax. Again, relax. Once more. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Once more. 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 Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, this is for number correction. Breathe in, breathe out. Oh, very good. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Oh, good. Breathe in, breathe out. First, breathe in, breathe out. Once more. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Relax. Once more. Breathe in, breathe out. Once more. Keep your hand on your neck. Sorry. Breathe in, breathe out. Once more. Your L5, distraction. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Once more. Good. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. This is for your cervical ablation. Breathe in, just relax. Breathe out. Once more. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Up, 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 up. Okay, down. Again. Down. Up. You release the stiffness of this posterior chain of muscles. Okay. Again. Relax. Second session. So, overall, how you're feeling?
Great. Like I said, after my first session, it was a marked change. Like when I came to you for the first session, I actually had pain the whole time. I needed some help. So after that, it was really good. It's been 2 months. So my posture, I kept having a little of that pain coming back.
Correct.
Right now, I feel great. And I mean, last time
so
it was...
actually, while going through all the sessions, all the techniques and all, so lots of cracks came out. Maybe in the thoracic and cervical level was there's adhesion and blockage was there. So I think it's better now. The blood supply is good. So you maintain your posture and such. I think
hopefully I feel even better than how I was feeling.
Yeah, definitely. And you do exercises properly and you do your exercise quite well. So thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you for everything.